Okay, the next question I'll provide a little bit of feedback for is this one. Give one example of when a basketball player would use agility in a game. So I guess the command word here is give. We are looking for one example only. We have to link it to a basketball player, and the component of fitness that we're going to be trying to apply is agility. And we know that there is one mark available. Now, I guess my first piece of advice to you is look at the qualifier. The qualifier is a basketball player, which means your example must be related to a basketball player. If you're sitting there with no knowledge of basketball, then unfortunately you are at a bit of a disadvantage for this question, because that's what we must be linking it to. Now, it also says one example. And I've said to you time and time again, can we use words that are in this definition and link it to a basketball player or whatever the example is? So we know, or we should know, that agility, change in direction. I'm just going to try and write this in here. Change in direction with control. Now, I'm not going to then write up the next example for you. That won't actually get you the mark, but we're trying to use some key words that are in the question. So they're all pretty key. It's a very small definition. Change in direction and control. You are now going to have to use one example in basketball for when that happens. When does someone change direction with control? How is it going to benefit their performance? Take a little look at the mark scheme if you're not sure, or go back through your notes to see if you can re-answer this question, because I really feel as though this should be one most of us should be achieving 1 out of 1 for.